Hold on, I know you guys are excited. Wait, let Papa come, he's coming. So move little bit side, we wanna see the gift. Start reading your cards.
I already did.
You, do it again, give it to Ronak. Ronak, read your card.
Oh,
Ronak can read.
Spider-Man.
Oh, you got a Spider-Man card. Ronak, read your card.
Here on a studio hard and do lots of writing. Stop brother, your brother.
Stop bother. What? It says stop bother your brother.
Stop bother your brothers. Eat lots of food. Happy New Year with best
Hope you have an amazing
wishes.
holiday season.
Hope you have an amazing holiday season and Happy New Year.
Okay, what
My
about...
best wishes, Santa Claus.
Oh, and what about Dada? Ronak, show me your card. Hold on. Sonak, you read now.
I just did.
Fast.
I hope your Christmas is a blast. Dear Sonic, study hard, focus on your aim, behave with others, and achieve your goal. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. Best wishes, Santa Claus.
Ah, what is your goal?
I don't know. Learn how to play.
Okay.
Some gold ones are mine. Some
Okay, give one.
Open this. Last. We'll give up.
Sonak, thora move little bit further. Over there. Yeah. Now open.
What is this?
What is that?
Spider-Man
Ooh, a
card.
Nerf sword!
Hey.
It's a yellow one, Monica. I thought you said you don't like the yellow one.
Let's see. It's Thank you, Santa Claus.
Probably a blue one. It's the exact same thing.
It's a blue one. Another Nerf sword.
But it's for Ronak. So
Yeah.
it's Ronak's name on it.
Did you ask that for Santa Claus?
Yeah.
So you're happy, Ronak?
Yeah. Yay, now we can play together.
What you got?
Stapler.
Ooh, a code.
Now we can play together.
Oh, look your gift, Ronak. Open
See,
your
it says
gift.
stand for guys at roads and then someone known wrong.
Let me see the
I'm
back.
gonna open up the big one. Actually, I'm gonna open up the circle, then the big one.
Oh, Ronak, open the...
Mine.
Let me see. What's in this?
I don't think I ever asked for something that looks like this.
What is that?
Batman!
That
What is-
money counter thing.
Huh?
You put money in it and it tells you how much it is on the top.
Oh, that's cool.
Mine.
Watch your money grow.
Mine.
And what is Ronak got? Ronak, show me.
Batman the brain mold.
Mold. I thought it was...
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Sorry. Kaneki.
This one's from me.
Something from Transformers.
What is that, Ronak?
Pinball.
This
Transformers
one's
pinball.
another Spider-Man.
This is Transformers pinball.
And this is another Spider-Man. Why am I
Oh.
getting too much Spidey?
Oh,
What's inside here?
this is for you, Ronak?
Yes.
Open it.
This is my big one. Explosion!
What is that?
Nice.
Something like a
Nice one, Mommy.
You like it?
projector.
What?
You planet Earth.
Maybe this
Or
one.
maybe Santa knows now you have been to
Is
NASA.
that one mine? Yeah, it's zero gravity.
What?
Wait, not zero gravity. Wait, huh? This is AirHogs RC. Or the remote control car.
Zero gravity?
No, it's not zero gravity. Oh yeah, it is. It's gravity nano, so it's a small one.
Oh, okay, Dada.
Walls, floors.
Ronak don't
even
seems
upside down.
happy.
Ronak, remember this? Remember what Chachu has that in one ceiling?
Yes.
That's what it is.
It is.
Yeah, it's just smaller. I'm gonna open up the red floor first.
Where's mine stored? Oh. Where's mine stored? It's too stuck for me.
So what you guys said, didn't say you like your gift?
Yeah,
Yes.
and we said in our minds, thank you, Santa Claus. Right?
Said Ronak? Said Ronak?
Thank you, Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Now, how'd you do this?
So he didn't give you any girl toy this time, right Ronak?
I thought you said you were on the bad list.
Right Ronak? You said Santa Claus not gonna bring anything for you. And he bring girl toy for you. Did he bring any girl toy for you?
I'm okay with this. And the money counter back.
How do you break this thing up?
What about pinball? You got all yours. You got money counter, Stanford, pinball, projector.
Where did my Stanford go? Oh,
I'll open it for you guys.
no, don't open it. I'll open it later. Don't open it, Ronak. I
One by one. You start one by one.
Here, Ronak. Now all you have to do is take off this and this, okay? That's what I'm doing. Top is made out of foam.
Foam.
Pretty much the whole thing. Pretty much foam. What's the nurse of it? N force. Yeah.
You want a blue one, Ronak? Or you also want a yellow one?
Blue.
Or
I
you
wanted
want?
the yellow because it looks more like a sword. And his is just round directly. It's just directly.
Oh.
That's why. It looks more like a sword.
How do you take out this thing? Stanford Isaac Crow.
That's something. I don't know what number that is.
You're the Dada, you're the reaver.
I know.
Why did you take out your hat, Ronak?
Cause
Here, I'll help you. Because it hurts his head.
no.
You open your Batmobile, Ronak?
What?
Batmobile? You didn't like it?
I like it.
I'm opening it. Opening
I
it.
like it, but I
Now I'm opening Stanford. It's my gift, so I'm opening it. Unless I need help.
You know how to open Batmobile?
Where's the code? Where's the code?
What kind of code?
Huh? It's supposed
right now he's in battle mode.
to...
Okay, can you guys sit, Ronak, and I'll take one picture.
Okay.
Take all with the gift. Show all the gift. Put the hat, Ronak. Put all the hats. Put hat on the back. Yeah. And show all the gift, Ronak. Yeah. Chalo. Sword lo.
I'll put it also.
टेबल पे नहीं जाए.
Happy birthday, Ranak. How old are you now?
6.
You're 6 years old?
Yes.
Wow. You grow so fast, Ranak. Eat lots of food, okay? And do lots of exercise.
Exercise.
Yeah.
What's that?
Exercise.
What is she holding?
That's the big diamond that everybody was looking for the last 8 years.
No, she put it back in the ocean. Something.
No.
Why don't you just sell it? It's so old.
No.
Why is it like the real world president is already dead?
Hi.
The beginning of the movie is so weird because they're like, whoa.
She died before.
I'm in the morning. Well, not the actual actress, but the she died.
Died. She awoke. Before she woke. Oh my god. Do you need bigger? I don't know what you just said. I don't even know what you mean.
देख रहे हैं सब कोई खा रहा है कि नहीं खा रहा है.
I have a secret for you. Ronak,
What did you think I was drinking?
Mine beer.
Is that cat?
He had champagne before, right?
Yeah.
And he got drunk yesterday.
Yesterday I got the hiccup from
इसका six को घुमा दे.
नहीं पूरा केक उधर घुमा देता हूँ तुमको.
Mommy!
okay.
Oh wow, pig! The other way!
Don't blow it. Wait. What are you
Oh my god.
इधर आ जाओ तुम
the
लोग.
6 is the wrong way.
I got. Don't worry.
Wait, Ranak, wait.
Ronak, where's your mask?
You can
I don't read all that.
Because he's a birthday boy.
So everybody needs food, huh?
उसके पहले आप शाहरुख खान जैसा लग रहे हो.
What do you know? It's my birthday. Cause I
Are you Shahrukh Khan in disguise?
लीजिए भैया.
Are you Shahrukh Khan in disguise?
राना, कैसा लग रहा है
Are you
शाहरुख?
Shahrukh Khan in disguise?
क्यों? कि भैया हमारे फोटो
Like
खींचे?
Like Ron.
तो मेरे साथ की चाल हो जाए.
Mommy, get the pop.
Not in my face.
No, my mom said not to do it in there.
Okay.
ओके बच्चे लोग सब पीछे जाओ. बच्चे लोग पीछे जाओ सब लोग.
Make a wish.
Like this?
Just do it straight. No, straight.
Okay, Rana.
पीछे जाओ सब लोग. खाना पीछे आइए.
All right. I can go down for you. ये वो Rana, keep it.
Make a wish.
Okay, make a wish. Blow it.
He's dancing.
Happy birthday.
Mommy, mommy.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ranak. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now? How old are you? How old are you now?
Are you one?
Are you six? Are you eight? Are you 14? Are you 20? Are you 7?
What's your girlfriend's first name?
चलो खिलाओ.
This is your dinner.
It's time.
Rana, that's your dinner.
Open wide.
Disgrace to Indians. No one's known.
I know what I'm gonna feed him. I'm
Ready,
gonna feed him the
basket of fries?
transformer.
Sonic, go.
I want to go feed him the
Actually,
transformer.
this mask is
No.
I think you
My mouth doesn't
This is
fit.
This
dinner.
mask is so
Mahima,
racist.
this is a dinner.
Oh my gosh.
Guess what? He
अभी अब मास्क भी racist हो
I'm
गया.
gonna feed him this. No, I'm gonna feed him this.
अबे अंग्रेज के लिए बनाया था. रमजान खिला दो.
He love icing, so I'm giving him icing.
नो ट्रांसफॉर्मर खिलाना है उसको.
Put a cake?
नहीं, थोड़ा सा केक.
I like it.
Lots
I'm
of
giving him the transformer. I like it.
थोड़ा सा केक लाना. No, big. Ronak didn't have a lunch. Didn't have a dinner.
Look
बेचारे
here.
को मुंह तो खाली हो.
Yay.
Didi, second ice cream? What do you want?
इसको चॉकलेट पार्ट. His name.
Hey, take a
No,
picture of
hurt.
him.
You want the art?
He's standing. He's bigger than us. I'll tell you Sparta. He's bigger than him.
You just want the side?
Give him the that side. Just give him the side.
Okay, that's okay.
He's so big.
वहाँ से
That's not the side.
वहाँ से साइड से लो. ट्रांसफॉर्मर वाला. ये.
Hey, you're wearing the hat backwards.
You're not listening,
You're wearing the hat
brother.
backwards.
ये.
The hat will
Happy
go
birthday,
has this thing on the front.
अम्मा नहीं करना.
I like to crease my
कोई
friend.
कोई भी ले.
Is that backwards in?
Which one?
This one.
I can transform.
Take the eyeballs.
कहीं से ले लो ना कि it doesn't matter. It's so you.
Give him the
eat
transformer side.
You like fireflies?
Stick it
Eat
out.
anywhere. हाँ, कहीं से ले
At
लो.
least stick it out.
Oh, look, Ronak is eating R.
At least stick it out.
Ronak, bad.
Mommy, mommy.
Okay, that's fine.
Mommy, mommy, mommy. At least stick it out. You look for towels?
Appa,
No, I need the new one.
video. Of course.
That is new, but it's hard to find.
क्या उसको जरा चटा दो. He wants just cream that just the blue cream.
You know he's almost 2 metric
small
tons.
guy.
He's
Small guy.
2 metric tons.
A small bag.
It's heavier than this one.
अब पेट भर गया
Okay, अच्छा इसको एक फोटो इधर.
Keep this. I want it.
हाँ चलो इधर चलो
लो
खा लो जल्दी से खा लो.
जल्दी आ करो बेटा.
हाँ जल्दी से खा लो बेटा. इसलिए तो तुम डिनर नहीं कियो ना. चलो.
One last one.
जरा सा.
Okay, I'll make it smaller. ठीक है हम और छोटा
Bring the
करेंगे.
hat backwards. I think you're cold.
Does this help?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
इधर डाले. नहीं खाना.
I did already.
You did. She was the first
I
one,
was the first one.
right?
No, I was the first one.
Okay, Mahima. My mom is like, Mahima,
I did.
ah,
तीनों ने ले लिया. अरे खा लीजिए.
हम आप अच्छा उठ के ले लेंगे छोटा सा.
लीजिए भाभी. अरे लीजिए ना खाना खाइए ना. नहीं फिर ना खाए तो क्या करेंगे. खराब होकर फेंके पहले से फेंक दे.
बांट दो ऐसे फुर्सत खाए तो फेंक दो.
किधर से बांटे तो खाए तो कोई तब बांटे.
नहीं ये
अरे.
Where do people get these things?
ऐसे कुछ रखा है या खराब रखा है.
मैं देती हूँ.
They're so cool. I don't like I need this stuff.
क्या आपका भी ब्लड प्रेशर का प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
Do that. Is that baby? Where'd you get this to me?
Wow, nice.
You know that card that you make for all the money?
Sonak, तुम्हारा क्या? सोनक क्या?
Make one for me like that.
तुम्हारा क्या?
Don't you know how to first?
What shots was that on it? Put a chart.
I don't know. I said,
Like, you're like, put a chart. Oh god, it's all on video. What?
happy birthday.
$200.
Happy birthday.
अपने भी के लिए.
I got more presents.
I'm good.
How many presents on
I don't want any of those.
आ जाइए.
So
इनके साथ सीक्रेट ये हुआ कि वो वी का गेम खरीदेगा उस पैसा से.
you can buy it.
जो पैसा भी निकला उससे ये भी
गेम खरीदेगा.
ये हम लोगों में सीक्रेट एक्सचेंज हुई ये बात.
I got lots of stuff for Christmas.
Ooh, what's that?
Dad.
It's a box.
It's a box.
Good. Nice green bar. That's what you needed.
What's in the box? Rona, face the camera. Come this way.
Box inside a box inside a box inside a box.
Papa's taking
Yay.
pictures. Open it this.
Whoa, paper.
Paper.
Box के अंदर box.
Sorry.
Another box.
Close.
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh, ho.
Who's getting married?
Radhika Didi.
Ronak will look handsome. Ronak, you like
I haven't found a husband for her.
bringing Chote
I already found one. Sorry, you're late. Too late. You lose the game. He doesn't want any.
Who's Shoti Bahu?
This so popular.
Okay.
Minaj.
Okay.
Creepy stuff.
Look at the card.
Ooh, what's that?
Why is it? It's not a transformer.
It's a Power Ranger, Rona?
Turn it around. Turn it around. It says on the other
It's a
side.
Power Ranger?
Is that Lego?
It's on the other side.
Oh!
Open this. Read the card.
That's your dream
Open
toy?
this card. Open it.
I wish
But it
Megan
says
Fox
do
came
not
in
enter.
Lego.
It's your 6th birthday. Happy birthday to Rana. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Happy birthday!
Turn it other side so Papa can take picture.
Who's it from?
Rona, do it like
It's from Mathura Company, baby.
Amanda. I like that cake
What cake?
Inside.
in there.
That cake. Oh. I like
so
this
that's
cake.
your Rona, that's your dream toy? That's your favorite toy?
Can I take this back? Can I take this back? Can I have your bird?
I think that's a puzzle.
I'm taking this card back.
May what?
That's a block?
Lego.
Huh?
Lego,
It's
yes,
Lego
make it.
one.
Lego, yes.
Can I take this card back?
No, it's okay.
You make a power and then you play somebody else.
He likes it. He just,
I love
May what?
he likes it. It's okay. He's just my boy. All the boys are like that. See, once
Yes,
you
all
make
the-
a present for somebody,
I think another one.
don't take it.
कहाँ चले तुम?
Okay, go get another.
सिंदूर हाँ पहन वो कह रहा पूजा का कपड़ा नहीं पहनना, हम कहने पूजा का कपड़ा नहीं पहनना।
दो ठो से चढ़ा दो, दो ये चार सब चढ़ा दो चार।
कहाँ? दो तीले?
दो लई चार, दो लई है। एक एक मिला के उसमें रख दो।
इसमें या इसमें?
दोनों।
अच्छा ये बकरा है तो कटेगा कैसे? चाकू कहाँ लाएगा? अच्छा ये लोग लाएंगे।
बनाट में डालो, पैसा रख दो।
शौनक, शौनक, पापा को बुलाइए और 2 बटर नाइफ लेके आइए। पापा को बोलिए दादी माँ बुला रही है बकरा काटने को। स्टोरी बंद कीजिए, बुक हम लोग स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे अभी। 2 butter knife. This is a goat. You have to cut the goat.
The what?
Yeah, this is a goat.
I have to cut it?
Yeah, you have to cut it. Bring
And Ronak has to cut it too?
both of you. And that Papa is gonna do for Dadi Ma.
कहानी कहो।
Okay. Ronak, can you turn it off? Turn it off. सोनक हमको स्टोरी पढ़ना है. Turn it off. माँ कृष्ण चतुर्थी को संकट का त्योहार मनाया जाता है।
चावल ले लो।
इस दिन
जो पट्टा डालो सर में। इस दिन संकट हरण गणपति गणेश जी का पूजन होता है। इस व्रत को करने से सभी कष्ट दूर हो जाते हैं और समस्त इच्छाओं की कामनाओं की पूर्ति होती है। इस दिन स्त्रियां दिन भर निर्जल व्रत रख कर शाम को फलहार लेती हैं। दूसरे दिन सुबह संकट माता को चढ़ाए गए पूरी पकवान को प्रसाद रूप में ग्रहण करती है। तिल को भूनकर गुड़ के साथ कूट लिया जाता है। तिलकुट का बकरा भी बनाया जाता है। इसकी पूजा करके घर का कोई बच्चा तिलकुट के बकरे की गर्दन काट देता है। सबको इसका प्रसाद दिया जाता है। पूजा के बाद कथा सुनते हैं। नहीं आ रहा।
सकट चौथ व्रत कथा। किसी नगर में एक कुम्हार रहता था। एक बार उसने बर्तन बनाकर आवा लगाया तो आवा पका ही नहीं। हार कर वो राजा के पास जाकर प्रार्थना करने लगा। राजा ने राज पंडित को बुलाकर कारण पूछा तो राज पंडित ने कहा कि हर बार आवा लगाते समय बच्चे को बलि देने से आवा पक जाएगा। राजा का आदेश हो गया। बलि आरंभ हुई। जिस परिवार की बारी होती वह परिवार अपने बच्चों में से एक बच्चा बलि के लिए भेज देता। इसी तरह कुछ दिनों बाद संकट के दिन एक बुढ़िया के लड़की के बारी आई। बुढ़िया के लिए वह जीवन का सहारा था। राजा आज्ञा कुछ नहीं देखती। दुखी बुढ़िया सोच रही थी कि मेरा तो एक ही बेटा है, वो भी मेरे संकट के दिन मुझसे जुदा हो जाएगा। बुढ़िया ने लड़के को सकट की सुपारी दी और दूब का बीरा देकर कहा, भगवान का नाम लेकर आवा में बैठ जाना, सकट माता रक्षा करेगी। बालक आवा में बिठा दिया गया और बुढ़िया सकट माता के सामने बैठकर पूजा करने लगी। पहले तो आवा पकने में कई दिन लग जाते थे, पर इस बार सकट माता की कृपा से एक ही रात में आवा पक गया। सवेरे कुम्हार ने देखा तो हैरान रह गया। आवा पक गया था। बुढ़िया का बेटा तथा अन्य बालक भी जीवित एवं सुरक्षित थे। नगर वासियों ने सकट की महिमा स्वीकार की तथा लड़के को भी धन्य माना। सकट माता की कृपा से नगर के अन्य बालक भी जी उठे। जैसे सबके दिन बहुरे वैसे मेरे दिन बहुरे। खत्म।
और
नहीं अब नहीं, एक ही है। और आप एक गणपति वाला बोलिए।
देखो पहले तो
नहीं है, भाभी ने एक ही भेजा है ही नहीं।
Stop or I'll kill you.
देखते हैं।
नहीं 4 होते ये 2
Stop
नहीं
or I'll kill you.
अच्छा इसमें भी एक ही है।
Ouch! I don't want to do this into an Asian girl. And they're doing it Phineas and Ferb style. Yay! Time for Phineas and Ferb.
नहीं है।
Time for Phineas and Ferb style. Ouch! Time for an erotic shot style. Ouch! Dang! Crazy! What did I just hear? Ouch! Ouch!
चलो
Ouch.
देवरानी जेठानी थी।
Wake up.
शौनक दादी माँ स्टोरी सुना रही है, स्टोरी सुनो।
एक देवरानी जेठानी थी। देवरानी जेठानी थी। जेठानी के पास देवरानी के पास धन खूब था और जेठा उसके पास जेठानी के पास नहीं था, तो उससे घर में काम वाम करने जाए, कभी खाना पीना देती थी बच्चे को, खाती पीती थी, बच्चों को खिलाती थी, रहती थी आराम से। तो जेठानी देवरानी एक दिन ऐसे हुआ कि देवरानी ने उस दिन सखट था, तो तुम्हारा घर का काम हो गया, हमको दे दीजिए, हम जाए कहीं, आज तो अभी हम काम कर रहे हैं तो कल देंगे। तो चली आई चुपचाप, कुछ बोला नहीं उसने। बोलने के बाद उसने ये अपना गई, क्या करे, फिर अपना नहाया धोया, खेत गई, मैं थोड़ा बथुआ लाया और बथुआ लाई और बथुआ से अपना सब पूजा पाठ किया और उसी बथुआ खा के लेट गई। भगवान का नाम लेके सखट महारानी ने कुछ खाई बनाया, क्या बनाया, क्या आज देवरानी ने हमको कुछ नहीं दिया, कुछ नहीं बनाया है, थोड़ा बथुआ का लड्डू बनाया था, उसको चढ़ाया है और उसे खा लीजिए। तो गुस्सा आ गया, तो उसका मारा पीटा डाटा को गुस्सा आया, तो भुजा गुस्सा को लेट गई, वो फिर अलग लेट गया। 12 बजे सखट महारानी सुबह पहनाई, खोल निधन दरवाजा, तो दरवाजा खोल दिया, आ गई। तो सब जगह गई, सब जगह सब कमरा में घूम घाम के आई, कहीं हम पूपू करेंगे। तो उन्होंने कहे माता सब जगह खुला, जहाँ मन कर दीजिए। तो सभी जगह खुला हुआ था, तो माता जी अपना सभी जगह करने लगे। अब फिर जल्दी जल्दी उनके हस्बैंड के पास गई, कहीं पूपू करें, कहीं पढ़ा है छठ चाहता करो ना, हमारे ऊपर करोगे, कहीं कहीं सब कराएँ, कहीं फिर हमारे ऊपर कर, तो कहें हाँ हम ऊपर करें। तो उनको ऊपर कर दिया चरपैया में सब करके, फिर चली गई। सुबह हुआ तो देखे तो उनके हस्बैंड कहीं यह का सारा घर में सोने उनकी जेठानी में देखा सब जगह सोना। तो अपना सब उठा के अपना सामान से एक कमरा में रखने लगे, जितने सोने के दिया था सखट महारानी ने, उठा सब रखने लगे। तो देवरानी बस गुस्सा होते हुए आई, आज कल त्योहार था, मेरी बहू बेटी सब भूख लगी, काम वाम नहीं हुआ कुछ, अब तुम घर में क्या कर रही हो, चलो जल्दी। तो दे रही कहाँ से लाई, चोरी किया, क्या किया, कहना कुछ नहीं, सखट महारानी दिया कुछ नहीं। तब फिर अपना आज नहीं आएंगे, चली गई चुपचाप। फिर दूसरा आया, दूसरे साल में सखट आई, तो उन्होंने कहना तुम्हारा चौका तुम्हारा घर का काम करेंगे। तो जबरदस्ती घर में काम करने लगी देवरानी के घर, जेठानी घर में देवरानी। सखट का दिन आया तो उसके लिए नहीं, वो चली गई चुप अपने घर में जाके बताया, उसने बता दिया सीधे कि हम ये ऐसे किया था, भगवान ने हमको, अब हम नहीं जानते देवी मैया भगवान ने हम क्या किया। तो वो अपना ही सब उन्होंने गई, फिर बथुआ लाई, बथुआ अपने हस्बैंड काम को डांटना मारना, तो फिर बथुआ का बनाया, उसे खाया खुआया का क्या है। तो उन्होंने कहा कि कुछ नहीं है, आज हमको दिया, कुछ दिया नहीं था खाने को, ये बथुआ लाए थे, इसे पूजा किया था हमने, इससे थोड़ा सा खा के लेट गए, आप क्या दीजिए। तो उसको फिर डांटा मारा, जाके लेट गए। तो देखे भाई सखट महारानी आई, सगरी सारे घर में पूपू किया कर, उसके हस्बैंड पास नहीं कहना भी हम पूपू करें, कहीं कहाँ करोगे, हम हमारे सर में करना कर दो। तो माता जी करके अपना चली गई है। वो अब वो अपना ये हुआ कि उन्होंने सुबह भी देखा, चले घर सूर्य घर में बदबू आने लगी खूब। थोड़ा निकाले खूब, थोड़ा सफाई करें कमरा, फिर आ जाए, फिर सफाई करें, खूब गाने सुन के जय भगवान के सखट महारानी। किसी चीज़ निरादर न करना चाहिए ना, वो थी बेचारी, तुम्हारे पास है, तुम सब पर कर सामान
सहरे तुम पूरन परमात्मा, तुम अंतर्यामी, पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर, तुम सबके स्वामी। ओम जय जगदीश हरे, तुम करुणा के सागर, तुम पालन करता। मैं मूरख खल कामी, मैं सेवक तुम स्वामी, कृपा करो भरता। ओम जय जगदीश हरे, तुम हो एक अगोचर, सबके प्राणपति, सबके प्राणपति। किस विध मिलूं दया में, किस जिस विध मिलूं दया में तुमको मैं कुमति। ओम जय जगदीश हरे, दीन बंधु दुख हरता, ठाकुर तुम मेरे, स्वामी रक्षक तुम मेरे। अपने हाथ उठाओ, अपनी शरण लगाओ, द्वार पर तेरे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे, विषय विकार मिटाओ, पाप हरो देवा, श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ, संतन की सेवा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे, तन मन धन सब है तेरा, स्वामी सब कुछ है तेरा, तेरा तुझको अर्पण क्या लागे मेरा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी, माथे सिंदूर सो तिल मूसे की सवारी। जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। अंधन को आँख देत, कोढ़िन को काया, बांझन को पुत्र देत, निर्धन को माया। ओम गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा, लड्डुअन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
इसके ऊपर रखो, गरम ना हो जाए खाली। सब जगह छिड़क दे।
ये बकरा कब कटेगा?
बकरा अभी काट,
अभी कटेगा?
हाँ, चाय खाने के बाद के भी
कटवा ही देते हैं इन लोग से, खाना खिला देंगे इन लोग को, फिर अभी नहीं कुछ खाए हुए नहाए हुए। आ जाओ।
You have to cut like this.
You have to do like this.
You're cutting the neck.
Ranak, do it.
Cut his buttocks off.
Say ba.
He cut his buttocks off.
Okay.
My what? I wanted to cut this.
This is mine?
अभी नहीं।
No?
Hi. Hi, mommy. Like, like,
Yeah.
टीका लगा दे, टीका लगा दे।
like this. Mommy, take a picture. Stop it. Here. But I ain't gonna do this in the monkey brain.
तुम लगा लो अपने।
सन है।
What's that?
तुम्हारा गौर कहाँ गया? गौर
Mommy, what do I have?
तुम्हारी बीवी को दिखाएंगे ये सब, मालूम है?
नहीं,
I knew I'm gonna have one. Turn it off! Turn it off!
Oh, you don't like the light?
How come I'm not in the video? Hooray! I'm in the video!
You know when you guys grow up?
Mama, the other way. All right. Now it's gone.
What?
Why are you taking
No, it hurts, man. Leave him alone.
4, 4, 8.
That falls.
Yellow.
Ew, I just put
Run,
oil in
Sana.
my mouth. It's 9.
Okay, come stand behind, close to him.
Look, it's already melting. Oh my
So
god.
how many in there? Wait.
Just do it.
आ रही मोटे?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
तो बोला लो.
No. Stop counting in Hindi. Okay, I can count if I want. Yeah, it's your mom.
बुला दो सबको.
Okay, I'll cut it. Okay, I'll blow it. Cut it.
Okay.
Blow.
आग बंद.
Blow. Can I blow it out?
Call.
Yes,
Hold on. Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Sana.
Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10?
You say you're 10.
Are you 11?
Are you 10?
No.
Okay, cut it.
So you did
What are you
cut it.
thinking?
Look.
Cut.
Shashu, are you going to give him to eat?
Okay, mommy coming?
They got the paper forks so they can take it home and eat it while they're going.
What? Hold on. They are not going. Let them eat. What is your...
They can leave and eat it at the same time.
Why you are in rush?
Who's saying no? I can't.
How do you spell Sana?
Read it. Oh my God.
Is it good spelling?
Yeah, he did it right.
They give like extra large.
Wow.
This has a toy. You got me extra large.
China, show me.
Look at this.
That's
Sir, a shirt.
It's only
wow.
$20 present.
And then there's another thing in here.
$20
Wii
only.
game.
Wow.
Mr. Freeze,
What
then you have to do, oh yeah, that Two-Face Riddler, you have to do,
Joker Glass.
yeah, Joker Glass, you have to do Scarecrow, you have to do, the Hatter, you have to do stuff like that.
Pancake. For heat. Oh, this one. I think I already ordered this. Lego Power Rangers. Okay, next.
So did you thank? So did you thank the person?
Thank you, my friend.
Hard. Hope your birthday is extreme, greater than great, cool, terrific, rocking, totally fun.
Wow.
nice.
X all of the above. Happy birthday to Shana from Alex.
Wow. Yay.
Power Miners. This is a toy. Power Miners. Lego Power Miners.
There's one more. Which one is it?
It's not the one. It's not the drill.
Lego?
We only know Lego.
This is the one.
And
Another one?
another one, motorcycle thing. Anything else?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
They discuss everything.
It's a guy.
What they want.
I will build this with you.
This one, Shana, give me.
Oh, Nixon bought me. Did somebody get Nixon's gift?
Nixon's getting
Nixon's getting Nixon's
Hey, I have the same bag.
Whatever. What do you get? Nixon got me Star Wars. Who the heck is this console? No,
Sanak, behave.
Commander Faye and Viral Legend, everybody brings money with cards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's your birthday, you rule.
Six.
Shauna Shana! It says SHAUNKS.
He's with Miss Katha.
Pretty close.
Yeah.
Oh, he's in grade 1.
Yeah.
Oh, she's going to grade 1. You have and
Oh, okay.
cool stuff you get makes
Oh, she's January born, right? He's December born.
That's why.
At least you were close. All you have to
Who
do
is
is
with
add
right
the
now?
A on the end.
She's with Miss Everett.
Oh, Miss Everett.
No, you got it right
And then
too.
in the daycare,
This is
she's
the only
with
person
Joan.
that got it wrong.
Oh, okay. Joan is the best teacher.
Very good.
I like that. That's what I'm.
No, we gotta go.
Very quick.
अच्छा
Gregory.
अच्छा इन लोग को तो दे दो पहले इन लोग का लेके आओ इन लोग का लेके आओ
Oh, they're looking.
और उसका
I'm getting the loot bag.
ओ बर्थडे बॉय स्माइल कर यार तेरी बर्थडे है आज हाँ लुक हैप्पी रतिका दीदी स्माइल करना सिखा दो उसको
Why are you wearing that?
go like this
Are you
ticklish where's your hat oh I like that hat दीक्षा जी लगा लो can I match the red one can we switch दीक्षा लगा
Can we switch?
दीक्षा long blue mask है तुम सिल्वर लगाओ आ जाओ
Where's Ronak and
कलर
Ash?
कोऑर्डिनेट करो तो कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं करते कलर ब्लाइंड आज मैं ये किस्सा बता रही थी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर शाना हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू और क्या किया
Yeah, yummy, yummy. Good.
क्या हुआ क्या हुआ
Why are you cutting the whole board?
बस बस बस
Start ringing then you do that.
कहीं रॉक पार्टी है It's not. Submission है वो rock happy birthday. When you do rock happy birthday, से आपको pata chalta hai.
Are you gonna play now?
When you do rock happy birthday. नहीं rock तो उसने बता ही दिया.
I'm gonna stand over here.
It's your birthday.
I know, bite your nose.
You wanna get to your rock?
We're not related.
What?
खिला दो खिलाओ खिला दो.
You can drive yourself
Sit
home.
down now with this. दूर के रिश्ते की मम्मी लगती है.
Yeah.
दूर के रिश्ते की
इधर देखो तो पापा को दे देखो. इधर.
Good boy. Would you like a name? Okay.
Next.
Cake and shove it in his mouth. एक दिन हम सोच रहे हैं 15-15 साल का हो जाए फिर करें छोटा सा केक इतना बड़ा और पूरा उसको दे दिया और उसने
कहाँ से आए हो?
पूरा मुंह डाला है उसमें
I feel like
I don't remember that.
Can? Oh, you can.
He can understand him.
I have pictures. सुबह में फ्रेंड्स लोग का वो लोग खाता है मैंने जाके बोला nobody does feed me okay
you are so
तुम लोग जाओ ना क्या खिला चुकी क्या?
खिलाना ही नहीं फ्रेंड्स को तो मैं बैठ गया कि कोई एक खिलाएगा नहीं no brown people stuff
अच्छा?
no desi stuff in my birthday party पता नहीं क्यों अचानक से हम जैसे ही लगा रहे थे बड़ी कोई नाटक
Oh.
एक घर वाली बात दूसरी है
I already know what
Friends वाली
Shasta is.
तुम भी चले जाओ.
भैया
पेड़ ना ऐसे देखो तो इधर.
देख तो लो
ऐसे दिखला ऐसे दिखला.
Is it good? वनीला तो है सीधी खिला रहे तेरे यहाँ खिला लो अबे ले लो सब लोग खड़े हो जाओ दीदी आ जाओ दीक्षा इधर आ इन लोग का सबका एक पिक्चर ले लो इन लोग का अभी तक पिक्चर भी नहीं लियो ले लो सबका
बच्चे लोग खड़े ही नहीं हो रहे हैं.
बच्चे खड़े हो जाओ इधर साइड में हो जाओ महिमा किधर था महिमा आ जा महिमा
Where is Bitya?
शाश्वत.
महिमा
They got me already.
दीदी सामने पिक्चर के लिए
What's this black stuff?
What?
Sorry.
Why is there a candy cane up
The cake's running away.
Where?
there?
It's not a candy cane.
Here, Ratika, didi, you can eat it. I'll hold my mouth. Swap.
Why is that
I'll get the swap. You get the spoon, I get the cake.
Why not?
I
Why
much
not?
prefer this one than the spoon.
Four. What?
Why is there 2 microphones?
No, are you sure?
Careful, Ranak. Careful, okay?
This. It tells you what the picture is about.
And the sun would always be above the equator.
Next. You have to wait till you hear the sound.
the southern hemisphere tilts closer to the sun until at the winter solstice.
लगी आइज है। अरे क्लोज बंद कर लेती हो। देखो क्या टेक्नोलॉजी है, रात में भी खींच सकती हो। रात में भी खींच सकती हो। क्या टेक्नोलॉजी है। अरे क्या आंखें
देखा
Did you? Shauna? Did you give it to him?
मुझको जंगली कह दे सारा जहां। दिल को